frosty. Sparklies. I went to $4.29 now, eh? Damn. $7.09. Cheerios. Normally $6.39. Hot Wheels. 55th. Camaro. Army Command. Yeah. Oh, got rubbery dinosaurs. Super real. Oh, $4.79. $2.69. Yeah, $4.05. Crazy. $11.59. If they had a 60 count. Still got them $15 ones. Plenty of those. The regular dozen eggs cost. Ain't no regular dozen. Good price. Yeah, $2.29. It's $4.59 now. Regular $5.69. Sarah Lee. $4.99. It's on sale. $6.79. $6.29 normally. Half calf. What the hell? House blend. Thick cut. RS $6.29. $2.19 for chorizos. $9.99. $7.45. Cheese. £2. $10.49. DiGiorno's. I got the off-brand for $6.99. Oh, 2 for $3. Corn, cream corn, corn. $2.89 for that Del Monte. Allie's Nasty. Jalapeno Hot, $2.29. Stag, $2.39. Wolf. Onion chili. Well, we'll grab a little variety. Crushed chilies, $1.69. Basil. Granulated garlic. Bay leaves. Oh, what we got? $5.89. Yikes. They're interesting. Banana extract. Ooh, pandan, yuck. Ubi. I don't know what ube is. $5 for salsa. Thick and chunky. $3.59. Sold. $1.69 a pound for cabbage. Baby carrots, $2.69. $2.69 for celery. Iceberg we're out of. Pomegranates. $3.99. These look questionable. They're growing eyes. White onion, 69 cents. Yellow onion, 69 cents. One that's torn open. $5.69 a pound. Yay. Tomato, 2 for $3. Get a couple of those. Red beans and rice. Quick and easy, Cajun style. She has a bag of used bags. Right. Ecologically conscious, even though she's wearing this chemically laden crap on her face. It's going to go in a dump unnecessarily. Security and other impacts of winter warming shelter on nearby businesses raise concerns. Yeah, illegal activity. Brett Hutchinson says illegal activity involving dozens of people going from Mill Campground, that's our tent city, across his property daily this summer was highly problematic. He's worried people experiencing homelessness will cause similar problems going to the new winter warming shelter near the tourism business his wife manages. Hutchinson, who owns property at the south end of Gastineau Street where it turns into a path many people were using to access the campsite several hundred yards away, said Wednesday he hadn't had any significant problems in the past 2 years with such people and can sympathize with the plight many are experiencing. But he said a proliferation of illegal activities by campground occupants and the people parked in vehicles or otherwise on Gastineau interacting with the campers occurred this summer. Well, you said you didn't have a problem, but now you're saying you have a problem. You need to make up your mind. This is not a homeless camp. It's an open drug scene, he said. Nothing he wasn't directly familiar with what was happening with the campsite itself, since he observed it only one time from a distance. Yeah. And so, the people that are coming up here and coming to do business at the end of the street to either buy drugs or sell drugs. Concerns about illicit activities, including trespassing, damage, theft of property, were reported to the Juneau police. Well, you know what? I've only been back from the store for a little over an hour, and they've had 5 calls to this warming shelter already. In recent months, it's led to the officials finding a suitable location, in the Avalanche zone for a winter warming shelter. Yeah, well, they tried to provide extra presence in the area when officers were available. Tried. Yeah, we ain't got that kind of manpower, man. Emergency warming shelter. Right in the Avalanche zone. That's interesting. That's new.